Reproduction in lower and higher plants. Contrivances. Part outbreeding devices. Outbreeding devices contrivances. These are the mechanisms which prevent self-pollination and to promote cross-pollination. To increase genetic diversity, plants have evolved a wide variety of sexual strategies. Continuous self-pollination results in the inbreeding depression and organism become weaker. Therefore, plants have developed many devices to promote cross-pollination. The examples of outbreeding devices are as follows. 1. Unisexuality. Some plants produce unisexual flowers. Monoecious, male and female flowers are produced separately, but on same plant. It prevent only autogamy. E.g. castor, cucurbita, maize etc. Dioecious, male and female flowers are produced on different plants. It prevent both autogamy as well as ketonogamy, e.g. papaya, mulberry etc. 2. Dichogamy. In this device, anthers and stigmas mature at different times in a bisexual flower so as to prevent self-pollination. It can be further divided into two types. A. Protandry. In this type, androecium matures earlier than the gynoecium, e.g. in the disc florets of sunflower. B. Protogeny. In this type, gynoecium matures earlier than the androecium, e.g. gloriosa. Dichogamy. A. Dichogamy. Pollen release. Stigma. Stamen. Time. Pistil. Stigma receptivity. Protandrous. Stigma receptivity. Time. Protogynous. Pollen release. 3. Prepotency. Pollen grains of other flowers germinate rapidly over the stigma than the pollen grains from the same flower. E.g. apple. 4. Heterostyle, heteromorphy. In some plants like Primula primrose there are 2 or 3 types of flowers in which stigmas and anthers are placed at different levels, heterostyle and heteroanthy. This prevents the pollens from reaching the stigma and pollinating it. In heteromorphic flowers, pollen grains produced from anther flower pollinate stigmas produced at the same level. Hercogamy. B. Heterostyle. Long-styled morph. Short-styled morph. Approach. Hercogamy. Reverse. Hercogamy. Hercogamy. Absence. 5. Hercogamy. It is a mechanical device to prevent self-pollination in a bisexual flower. In plants, natural physical barrier is present between two sex organs and avoid contact of pollen with stigma of same flower, e.g. Calotropis pentangula stigma is positioned above the level of anthers pollinia. 6. Self-incompatibility, self-sterility. This is a genetic mechanism due to which the germination of pollen on stigma of the same flower is inhibited, e.g. tobacco, thea. Pollen pistil interaction. It is the interaction of pollen grain with stigma. It begins with pollination and ends with fertilization. I.Al. events from the deposition of pollen. E. Grain on stigma to the entry of pollen tube in the ovule synergid are referred as pollen pistil interaction. Pollination does not guarantee the transfer of right type of pollen, often wrong type also lands on stigma. Each stigma have capacity to recognize the pollen and it allows only right type of pollens, IV. It is very dynamic process involving pollen recognition followed by inhibition or promotion of pollen germination. Weak cross-pollination can transfer right as well as wrong type of pollens on the stigma. Weak the right type of pollens, i.e. compatible of the same species allowed to germinate and forms pollen tube. Weak pollen tube moves through style, enters the ovary and finally in the ovule. Weak the wrong type or incompatible pollen, i.e. from other species or self-incompatible pollen. Does not allow to germinate by stigma. Its the ability of pistil to recognize the pollen is because of certain chemical components present in the pollen grain, which interact with stigma. X pollen grain can also be induced to germinate in a synthetic medium. Sheet sucrose induces pollen germination and tube growth in vitro. Addition of boric acid facilitates and accelerates pollen germination. Artificial hybridization. It is one of the major approaches used in tea crop improvement. It is artificial method in which only the desired pollen grains are hand pollinated and used for fertilization. This is accomplished through emasculation and bagging procedure. Pollen pistilinteraction. Petal. Anther. Stamen. Filament. Sepal. Receptace. Peduncle. Ovule. Stigma. Style. Ovary. PLSTL. Thank YOUBY. Shiv educate.